I've been exploring the Adobe Express website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what Adobe Express website builder actually brings to the table. Adobe Express is a web-based design and website creation platform that aims to make building websites accessible for everyone. The concept is straightforward but well executed. You get drag and drop functionality combined with Adobe's design expertise, allowing you to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. It's targeted at small business owners, creatives, and anyone who needs a quick online presence. Now, let's talk about the pricing structure. Adobe Express offers a free plan that includes basic website building tools and Adobe branding on your site. For more serious users, the premium plan costs $9.99 per month when billed annually, or $19.99 monthly. This removes Adobe branding, gives you a custom domain, and unlocks advanced design features plus priority support. The platform really shines with its template quality and integration with other Adobe products. The templates are genuinely well designed, not the cookie-cutter stuff you see elsewhere. Plus, if you're already using Photoshop or Illustrator, the workflow integration is seamless. However, there are some genuine limitations. Customization options can feel restrictive compared to competitors like WordPress or Wix. Its SEO tools are pretty basic, which might hurt your search rankings. Also, e-commerce functionality is limited, so serious online stores should look elsewhere. Overall, Adobe Express works best for creative professionals and small businesses who prioritize design quality over advanced functionality. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.